I just finished shampooing Rachel's hair with our R+Co BLEU Deluxe Reparative Shampoo and Conditioner. While her hair is still damp, using the spatula to scoop out the R+Co BLEU Sleep Mask Night Repair Serum, and then massaging it into her hair, working it through her mid-lengths to ends. Now that the mask has been fully applied, I'm pulling her hair back, twisting it up, and securing it with a pin to help her hair stay in place overnight. This serum will nourish and repair her parched, damaged hair while she sleeps. It's the next day, and we've untwisted Rachel's hair and removed the pins. There's no need to rinse the hair before styling, and any R+Co BLEU styling product can be used based on the style that's desired. I'll add retroactive dry shampoo at her roots and blow dry her hair on the coldest setting to add some volume. Then I'll apply optical illusion smoothing oil to add separation and shine. R+Co BLEU Sleep Mask Night Repair Serum has revitalized Rachel's hair, leaving it shiny, smooth, healthy, and strong. R+Co BLEU Sleep Mask Night Repair Serum.